everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Welcome back to another Talk About It Tuesday, or hashtag TAT. As I mentioned in last week's video, this week's topic is going to be about gun control in the US. And before I get into talking about it, I do want to give a disclaimer and let you guys know about next week's topic. So for my disclaimer, as always, these are just my own personal opinions and you do not have to agree with me. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion, and that is perfectly fine. However, you do not need to attack me in the comments if you don't agree with me. And I am not trying to offend anyone in any way, shape, or form. Moving on, next week's topic is going to be all about the religion of being a Jehovah's Witness. No, I personally am not a Jehovah's Witness, but it's a topic I've always been interested in, and I really want to spread a message about it. And without further ado, let's talk about gun control. So, as most of you guys know, I do live in the United States. Specifically, I live in the state of Maine, where we are allowed to open carry. Open carrying is regulated on the state level, so each state has different laws regarding that, and you can easily type into Google state laws about open carry and it'll bring up maps for you guys if you want to look more into that. But as a United States citizen, in accordance to the Constitution, I do have the right to bear arms. And the moment you guys have probably all been waiting for is where I stand on this topic, and I personally believe that guns are not the issue. And this is going to sound really cliche because everyone says this, but it is 100% true and accurate. Guns don't kill people. People with guns kill people. A gun itself cannot kill someone. Only the person behind the trigger of the gun can kill someone. And that is something that a lot of people just do not understand. Another thing people do not understand is the vocabulary. A lot of people believe that the AR in AR-15 stands for assault rifle, when that is not the case. AR stands for Armalite, which is the manufacturer of that type of gun. I do not think there needs to be stricter laws. I just think they need to have stricter background checks. And if you guys would like to learn more about how background checks are done for buying a gun, I will have a link down below in the description box to a CNN article about that. And if you guys are really interested in watching a fun comedy, I will have a video from Adam Calhoun down below. Do not take the video seriously. It is meant to be funny and it is accurate to a T. Getting back to the topic of guns, the problem we have is not the guns themselves, but rather the people that have the guns. And if you guys look at the statistics, most of the shootings that have been done here in 2018 in the US all come down to mental illness or the fact that young adults and kids have had access to guns when they aren't even of legal age, which is why it is important to have gun locks. I don't know if this is the case everywhere, but I know here in Maine you can go to any police station and they offer free gun locks. Also, gun safes are a big thing because with most of these school shootings, they have been done by students themselves who are underage and angry and have mental health issues. And I'm not trying to put the blame on parents or anything like that, but all these kids have had easy access to guns. Yes, they may have just bought it off the street, which happens a lot. However, most of the time it comes from the household because the gun was not properly stored and there was easy access to it. There have been so many accidental shootings where kids have gotten their hands on guns, and because they do not know how to use them and do not know that they aren't supposed to touch them, and because they are not locked up, serious injuries and even deaths have occurred. Now, I know this is one of my more shorter videos related to a controversial topic. However, there is not a lot to say about it. I mean, I could, but the basics of it are lock your guns and keep them in a safe where they are not accessible to anyone who is underage or accessible to anyone other than you. Learn the proper terms and know that AR does not mean assault rifle. And the biggest of all the things is that guns do not kill people. It is the person behind the trigger. So that is all I have for you guys today for this video. If you guys liked this series, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have any suggestions for controversial topics, leave them in the comments down below. I also have a playlist with all of my other Talk About It Tuesday videos in case you have missed any of those. And be sure to come back next Tuesday where we are going to be talking about Jehovah's Witnesses. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload a bunch of new videos each week and would love it if you would become part of our Allie Packer squad. I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!